So, ayan, guys, I'm back. I just turned off my water outside the house. So, wala na ako. Hi, guys! Thank you so much for being here. Happy ako. Okay. Ay, na-remember ko na. Magpunta pala kami sa Baguio kasi sabi ni Papa, babalik si Papa after 1 year kasi seaman siya. So, babalik siya mga 1 year at sabi niya na magpunta kami sa Baguio. Happy ako. Oh, see? Di ba? Oh, hayaan mo muna yung mama mo doon. Hayaan mo muna yung mama mo, okay? Hayaan mo muna siya, mag-enjoy muna siya. Okay, Jen? Hayaan mo muna siyang mag-enjoy muna siya doon. Alam mo si Mary JC, Mary JC, alam mo, you're very busy right now, Mary JC. Alam mo, i-add mo rin yan si Mary JC Jean. From Davao yan. Taga Davao lang yan. Ano siya? Naaaliw din ako sa kanya. Okay, so instead of being sad because your mom is in Boracay, you just have to think about na lang that you just have to look forward for your Baguio, okay? Wow, magbabagyo trip kayo. Okay, so yan. Mag-look forward ka na lang doon, sasabi ng daddy mo na magbabagyo kayo. Okay, Jean. No! Di po tala dito. Mukaon ako. Dito rin mukaon.
Makain ka.
Mukaon, malagaw ko tubig, Victoria. Dito rin mukaon, sige na.
Ate, saan niya gagawin naman akong isa?
Ako na lang, dili na lang ko magkaon.
Bilang ka si gatas.
O naman hati.
Aga-aga.
So, dito na lang ako kakain instead sa kwarto. Dito na.
Hoy, ate, ako gato ga o egg.
Pagkuha na dyan, Victoria.
Ate, anak ko.
Pagkuha na ba, mukaon ako.
Ate, anak ko.
Dito na lang ako magkain. Ayan guys, okay. So the see Jean, okay. So you're happy now. I'm very masaya ako kasi happy ka na. Huwag ka mag-overthink. Magkain. I will be eating my dinner now, guys. So thank you so much to all Mary JC. My God, Mary JC, thank you so much for being here in my life. So to all of you here that presence into this live, and to all my viewers and subscribers in the future, please, if you happen to watch this live from, it's me, Daphne, live from Davao City. If you happen to watch this live, guys, please don't forget to click like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. I have to go because I need to eat my dinner now, guys, because it's already 8 p.m. already, right? So I need to eat my dinner.